Are there any medications which help you in carrying the pregnancy or which help in not you aborting? So that is a very important question. Patients come and ask us with recurrent miscarriage or when their embryos have stopped growing in the IVF cycle, they will come and ask that what can we add some more medications, like after 72 hours the beta HCG is not growing so much. So believe me, there are some medications, but altogether this process is not like, it's not like obviously that if you are giving those medicines you will get the result. It is not like that. But obviously you can try, and we do give some medicines which act as supplements. Like the progesterone is given, the estrogen is given when we make the lining. So the progesterone is one miracle hormone that helps you sustain the pregnancy, and the HCG is also given, so this also helps in sustaining the pregnancy. So these hormones, plus like for maintaining the heart rate, the cardiac activity, so many times we give blood thinners. For that we give an injectable forms of blood thinners also and oral forms of blood thinners also. Plus there are some other medications that are given, like which control the autoantibodies. So those drugs are given to suppress the excessive autoantibodies that are being formed in your body. So these are some medications that are given in oral as well as injectable form. A combination of it is given depending on what your clinician is deciding, and this in some way it prevents it. Because what happens with many times with this, like the progesterone level is very low in the body, then that also leads to miscarriage. So it is very important for us to monitor these progesterone levels after your embryo transfer is done, or in a lady who has naturally conceived also, but that pregnancy also might lead into miscarriage. So these hormones are very important for the sustainment of pregnancy, and these are some medications plus all the medications that are responsible for your medical disorders. Like if you are hypothyroid, you need to take your Thyronorm, your medications, any medications like Thyronorm, Eltroxin, all those what are being prescribed by the endocrinologist. If you are diabetic, you need to take those pregnancy safe medications to put your hormones in control, whether it be insulin, or there are some oral medicines also that can be given. If you have hypertension, then also you need to take those medications that are safe during pregnancy for hypertension. So antihypertensive, anti-diabetic, all these have to be taken, but those safe medications have to be taken which are to be used in pregnancy. So these are some ways in which you can avoid miscarriages.